What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope y'all had a good TGIF out there today in whatever parts of the world that you in. If you up north where they having that Arctic freeze at, hopefully you somewhere warm. That cold air has pushed down here to Florida. You see I got my jacket on. We here in the 50s here today in Northeast Florida, but not as bad as y'all got it going on. But let's discuss what we here to discuss today, how I traded in the market, and I will let my P&L speak for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that up there and we gonna talk about it. Reviewing trades for February 3rd, Friday. We took 3 trades today. Close P&L 331. That was on 3 trades. That was us being done by 10:15 or so, because we was in that trade 17 minutes. And it was a solid day today. We somewhat trusted that process that we talked about earlier in the week, and we let these trades somewhat play out. I got what I wanted out of the trade. What the market wanted me to have was so much more money, but I just did not have the patience to stick it out. I wanted to lock those gains in, ended up getting out of the trade, and these trades kept going. Let's go ahead. Let's pull up the charts. Let's take a look and see what we did today. This is the SPY that we're looking at right here. We see off market open. Nice move up, pull back, nice move up. Took no trades on the SPY today. Didn't take any trades on the SPY. So we're going to go straight to what we traded. Microsoft and Microsoft. Let's get this pulled over and we're going to look at these trades. And Microsoft opened somewhat like the market did this morning. Up, side shift, up. Let's see where we were getting in these trades. In the first 2 trades that I took, or actually it was the first trade. I was buying 3 contracts each time. These first ones that I bought in this candle right here, I kind of fumbled the ball on them. I didn't really trade how I should have. This came up and I was getting out of these like in that candle and in that candle, like getting out of them, and I only made $14. That's why you see I only made $14. But then I got right back in after I, like, dude, you fumbling the ball. This thing stays above VWAP. I get in right here. It makes the move up. We get the pullback. I sit through the pullback. I get out of the first contract in this candle. And then I get out of the next 2 contracts in that candle. I want to come over here and just kind of see where I got out in the actual option candle. Man, look at that. I got out at the base of that candle. But look at what this thing did. Pullback, rip. I could have held one of these with stop at break even. Might have stopped out. No, because this is all, we done set through all of this. I would not have stopped out and could have maybe rolled this out. Let's look and see what the high was on that move. $4.50. First contracts, we was in at $2 on 3 contracts. That's $250. That's $750. And then these other 3, we paid less than that. So, man, look at the potential. Sitting in that trade another, that was 947. We sit in that trade until we come up. This yellow line right here is the hourly channel. If I would have just stayed in this up to the hourly channel, that's like between both sets of those, it's $1,500. Man. That would have been a good day. But it's water under the bridge now. Same thing I said yesterday. All right, let's take a look at Apple. Apple was another fairly solid trade. We grabbed 2 contracts. We're getting in on this candle right here. Let's see, where did we get in on that candle to kind of give me an idea? Yep, up near the top. You saw I was going up near the top on this one. Basically getting in off of this bottoming tail as it's coming up. This is a very narrow channel, So you're going to get this pullback. We get this move right here. Would have wanted to see this push a little higher, but this is something that I'm going to write in my plan. When you get this curl and you get back in the channel, that's a very powerful move. I wanted to take the trade right here. I wanted to get some more contracts, but I was already up and I'm like, nope, I'm not going to do that. You see, I get out of the first contract though. I'm talking about buying a contract when I'm getting out of a contract right there in this contract at 386, get out at 415. It's that $29 that we make on that contract. Then we go ahead, we ride this contract up until it taps and comes back down. Again, let that contract work. But on this one, paid 386, we sell it for 515. We make good money on that contract. And we make a total on the 2 contracts of $158. Let's look and see what we left on the table. $740. We paid 386. Doing rough math, that's $340 per contract. That's $680. Rough math, probably leaving another 20 out there as well. On the table. Man, let this thing work. Manage it. Let it pull back. Let it go. Put the stop right there at the pullback. Let it come up. Let it pull back. Put the stop right there at the pullback. Let it go up. We stopping out way over here. Or we could just stop out back up in here when it's getting out of the channel. But that's how we did it today. That's how we did it. It was not a bad day, though. I can't be mad. We still did a decent job. And that's going to wrap it up. That was fairly easy. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pop up over into the Discord real quick. I'm going to see. They may or may not be in the Discord. Let me see.
What is it? San Andreas fault or whatever. No, it was San Andreas fault and yeah.
I'm gonna mute myself. But this is the Discord. Nothing much going on. We chat about a little bit of everything. They're over there probably chatting about movies right now. We look at different charts. We were kind of drawing different chart areas on there. But that's the Discord. Very laid back. Very laid back. Like I said, we use the voice chat and we use the charts. So come on over and check it out. On that note, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't already hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Hopefully you were able to take advantage of some of this nice market moves that we had this week. This was probably one of my better weeks. What did we do this week? Let's see. Let me pull it up real quick. I'll give you the numbers on it and let you know, and then we'll get up out of here. Overview. Nope, we want details. Did 1,061 this week. Average daily gain, $212. Average winning trade, 54. Average loser, 1208. Largest gain, 159. Largest loss, 25. That's some good trading, y'all. That is some good trading. And I'm going to wrap that one up just like this, and we'll be back at this thing on Monday. Peace.